In this video, I'll guide you through how to use Clio legal case management software. If you're a legal professional looking to streamline your practice, Clio could be the ideal solution for managing your cases more efficiently. Let's delve into the core features and get you started on your journey to a more organized law practice. To kick things off, let's talk about matters and contacts. In Clio, a matter is equivalent to a digital case file. To create one, simply click on the plus new button and select either matter or contact from the drop-down menu. This will allow you to build your case file from the ground up. Once you've opened a matter, you'll have immediate access to its dedicated tasks, notes, documents, and bills, all conveniently located on your dashboard. This setup is designed to give you a comprehensive view of each case, ensuring that everything you need is just a click away. Next, let's move on to document management. Uploading files into Clio is as simple as dragging and dropping them into a matter's Documents tab. This feature makes it easy to keep all relevant documents in one place. Clio also integrates seamlessly with Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox. This means you can edit your files directly from these platforms without having to worry about manually syncing updates. It's all about making your document management as smooth and efficient as possible. Now, let's explore logging notes and billable time. Clio Notes is a fantastic tool for recording meeting summaries, phone logs, and case updates. Keeping detailed notes is crucial for any legal case, and Clio offers an intuitive way to do this. When it comes to tracking billable time, you have a couple of options. You can use the global timer icon to keep track of time spent on tasks. Alternatively, you can log entries directly within a note or matter. This feature ensures that your billing ledger is always up to date, reflecting the actual time and effort you've put into each case. Billing and payments are next on our list. To create an invoice, navigate to Billing and click New Bill. Clio will automatically compile. This automation saves you time and minimizes the risk of errors in your billing process. Once your invoice is ready, you can share it with your clients via the client portal. The portal allows clients to pay online instantly using a credit card or e-check, making the payment process straightforward and convenient. This quick guide will teach you how to navigate Clio legal case management software with ease. By harnessing the capabilities of Clio, you can enhance your efficiency and focus more on the legal work that matters. Whether you're managing documents, tracking time, or handling billing, Clio provides a comprehensive toolset to support your practice. Remember, the key to mastering Clio is to familiarize yourself with its features and incorporate them into your daily workflow. The more you use it, the more you'll discover its potential to transform your legal practice. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Clio legal case management software. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that can help streamline your legal practice. Until next time, happy case managing.